I'm Thomas Baumert. I'm heading the Inserm Institute for Viral and Liver Disease at the University of Strasbourg. The key goal of our research is to discover novel preventive and therapeutic strategies for human disease. And our main focus is virus-induced liver disease. Virus-induced liver disease is the major cause of liver cancer. We have big challenges in our field. We have fantastic new technologies now we haven't seen before. We can monitor a gene expression on single cells. We are able to study the epigenetic changes driven by the virus. We can study the diversity of the immune system using novel technologies. We can do live cell imaging. We can see how the virus enters the cells, changes the host cell machinery, and ultimately results in disease. So it's a fantastic time to be in research and really change at the end, not only the understanding, but also at the end, change the patients' lives. That's our ultimate goal. I'm a medical doctor and a scientist, so I think it's really fantastic to be here at this interface between the clinical challenge, seeing what we need here in medicine, and how can we solve it with all the new technologies and systems we have now available in the laboratory. How do we tackle these challenges? And we have 4 principles we are working on. First is really scientific excellence. We want to be the best in the world, the best science to understand disease biology. Second is translation. We want to translate our results to the patient. Third is creation of networks. We cannot work alone in science. We always have a team and several teams actually working together on one approach. And finally, also it's training. We would like to recruit the best talent, the best people, PhDs, MDs, PhDs, MD PhDs. So at the end, here to mentor them, to make them grow, to develop their careers and train them so they at the end can succeed in science, medicine, academia and industry. One of the most exciting is always when a new PhD student or new postdoc or new scientist arrives. How can we really make them grow? And one is really, the first thing is that we mentor them and then work in a team to make them being part of a team, to quickly learn the technologies, but also the way how we think, how we tackle the problems, how to write a good paper, to become independent. That's our goal, really to mature, to help a person being able at the end to lead a project, to manage a project. My vision is at the end, and that's what we are really constantly striving, is to that our research at the end really makes a difference. So it makes a difference in terms of understanding, but also make a difference for the patient. So this means provide a new strategy to diagnose disease, innovate a new strategy how we can cure hepatitis B virus infection and how we can prevent liver cancer, for example, in the patients who already have cirrhosis and we have no other options at the present time. That's my goal, and that drives me every day when I come here to work, to have this opportunity to be part of this fantastic endeavor in these exciting times, and here really to clearly make a difference. Not only publish the next paper, but at the end really invent a new concept, invent a new strategy, change the way how we think, and at the end discover a drug, a principle to prevent and treat human disease. I think a key thing, what I think is really exciting in the research we are doing, is also the diversity we have in our team. So diversity is on different levels. It's different competences, so we have scientists, we have medical doctors, we have virologists, we have hepatologists, cell biologists. We have also a computation analyst, which is a key now. Diversity is also the people. They come from very different countries, from Europe, from the Americas, from Asia, from Africa, from all over the world. And I think that's something which makes a team really thrive and be excellent.